How to download Telegram on iPhone. If you've been looking to download the Telegram on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to get Telegram on your iPhone, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and head over to the App Store. The App Store is the blue icon with the white A in the middle, usually located on your home screen. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, in the search bar, simply type Telegram and press search. Now look for the official Telegram app in the search result. It should have the logo with the paper plane icon. Make sure you're selecting the right one. Now, after you've done that, simply tap the Get button next to the Telegram app. You may need to authenticate the download using your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID. Give it a few moments while Telegram downloads and installs on your iPhone. Once it's done, the app will appear on your home screen. And that's it. That's how you can simply install Telegram on your phone.